Oya, make una come gather, make we come talk about chapter 3 for this Bible story where we don't start. So today, na Cain and Abel, now we go look. After Adam and Eve come out for the garden where God put them, the garden name na Garden of Eden, they no come happy. Then they come ask God, say, wetin they go do to make am happy? He come say make them, they sacrifice something to am to show say they don't sorry, and also to thank am for everything we them get. Adam and Eve come continue to do that every time. After some time, they come born pigin. The first one they come call am Cain. They born another pigin, they come call am Abel. Cain na farmer. He dey grow vegetables and seeds. While Adam na shepherd, he dey look after animals. When time come reach when they're supposed to give something to God to thank him for everything we don't do and their handiwork, Abel come look all the sheep we get. Na him come carry the better sheep we get, the one we fat or the better one. He come carry him, come sacrifice him to God. He come put him for altar, come light fire to show say God he thank him. Cain come look all the produce we get, all the thing we dey for inside farm. Now he can say, he no fit give God all this better food though. Now for the one way he want shop, he can't carry all the food we no good way. This the one we not fat, the one we not nice. Now he can't carry and say now he go use to do sacrifice. He can't put them for altar, light fire, but the fire he no catch. God can't look Abel sacrifice, he can't happy with the better sheep we bring. Now he can't look Cain sacrifice, he not happy at all. When Cain look the fire for Abel as he catch where we go up, he can't look him when you don't even like that at all. He can't vex with his brother like say na his fault. Cain can't tell Abel say, make they go for small waka. When them done they fast small, he can't attack Abel, can't kill him for ground like that. Cain can't look what he don't do so. He can't no say what he do so not good. Now he can't start to run. Now God can't find Cain, can't shout, Cain, Cain. Cain say, eh? Now God say, Cain, where your brother? Now Cain can say, I don't know. I be my brother keeper. God can say, Cain, why you wicked like that now? So that you can't kill your own brother. People not do you anything like that too. When Cain hear this, he can't sad where. God can tell him, say, you don't go feel live for this place again, no. You get to waka where, just a waka. You turn to waka, right? So you just to waka everywhere. Like that. You go waka every time, when you want plant something, you don't get anything from ground, no better food will come out. Because you don't kill your brother, so not bad thing when you do so. Because your brother blood waiting for ground, so you don't dey cry, come meet me for where I did so. So you get to run. Wherever you go just a waka. When Cain hear wetin God talk, he can't say, I beg you, this punishment too bad oh. If I just a waka like that, I want to do now. Anybody will see me if he kill me oh. Now God can tell and say, nobody go kill you. Make you not worry because I go put a mark for your head so that anybody will see you. If they see the mark, they no go kill you because if anybody will kill you, na bad punishment they will get for themselves. Even 7 times more than the one way you get so. Cain can waka go another place where them they call wandering. Now they can stay, you can't get your own family. So all through Cain life, he just they wonder like crazy person for round. And so the story to end though. Then Cain will kill his brother Abel. God can look everything, can say, this evil way there for this earth, it don't pass so. Now thank you for listening. Next time we go catch again.